Hi, I am Sydney Greenwald, and for my museum, I chose National Museum of American History. My artifact was the Franklin Common Press, and it was dated back to the 1720s, and it was used by Benjamin Franklin. And it was just an old-time newsprinter, and back then that would have been the only source of media because it didn't have internet. So I just found it really neat that pretty much the only way of communication was by this printer, like by this old time newsprinter back then. And that's how everyone was connected in the world. Like, that's the only way they got their information from. And I just thought that was really neat. So that is why I chose the Franklin Common Press. So, yeah, thank you.